What is up, everyone? Antonio Muniz here, and today we will be reacting to YTP, The Lion Thing by Yoshi Maniac. Let's go! Literally. It's gonna happen.
Now
It's art.
No, don't do it.
Oh no.
No.
Of course. So you threw Simba into a board. Lion thing.
Miska.
Get that out of my face. Thank you.
Scar, don't look at me that way.
Scar. Drop him.
What are you?
Whoa. Don't turn your
This is
back
weird.
on me, Scar.
Did I just laugh like a little girl?
Am I a cat?
Yes, you are. 3 days later.
Dad! Come on, Dad, we gotta go! Wake up!
Get up! That was loud, dude.
Hey! Hey, Charmix! Love him.
When we die, our bodies die.
Yeah.
Good morning, Zazu.
Good morning, sire.
Fire away.
The buzz from the beat.
Hey, you can't be shooting everywhere like that. Always treat your weapon as if it's loaded.
Zazu, would you turn around?
Yes, sire. Oh, no, sire, you can't be serious.
Don't let your kids watch it.
Yeah. Don't let the kids watch him. Good advice, Robbie.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what'll that make you?
A monkey's uncle.
No!
Hey, Nala. Hi, Simba. Come on, I just heard about this great place. Simba, I'm kinda new.
And it's time for yours.
Okay.
Okay.
So where are we
Toy
going?
Story.
It better not
2.
be any place dumb. No, it's really dumb. Mom, can I go with Simba?
What do you think, Sarabi?
Well,
Please.
This is disgusting.
No, not zoo. So where are we really going? An elephant rave.
Elephant rave sounds like a fun idea.
Wow!
wow.
Nice.
This went to funny to weird. I mean, from funny to weird.
Shut up.
Wow!
Yes.
Oh, just look at you.
I barely have any memories of that show.
Little seeds of romance blossoming in the savannah. Your parents will be killed.
Long live the king.
Hate that Marvel 3D game.
What?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Isn't it great? We could get in big trouble. I know. There's only one way to know. Come on, let's go check it out. Look, Banana Beak is scared.
It's Mr. Banana
Literally.
Beak to you.
Danger? Ha! I walk on the wild side. I
Aw,
love
crap.
the face of danger. I love the face of danger.
Well, Banzai, what have we got here? I don't know, Shenzi. What do you think, Ed?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Interesting.